Good afternoon, students. How are you, students? Of class 4? I am fine. Thanks. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. Now we are staying with your family. So, Gopalganj Online School arranges many classes for you. Now I will take your English class. So everybody ready with your book, pen and khata. First I say myself. I am Vishnu Sarkar, assistant teacher, 5 Nang KP Model Government Primary School, Kotalipara, Gopalganj. My dear students, okay, sure. You want to listen a song? Okay. Dear student, listen carefully.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school.
Okay, my dear students, you enjoyed your Idul Fitr. Idul Adha. Of course, you went your relative's house. You went in a park or any other interesting places to see. Sure, okay, very fine. So, today I will teach you my trip. My dear students, today's lesson, my trip. My dear students, at first we learn some new words. Please look at the board. Please look at the board. Fisherman, history, favorite, delicious, special, relatives, cousin, vegetables, still, story. Fisherman, history, favorite, delicious, special, relatives, cousin, vegetables, still, story. Now, my dear student, we know its meaning. fisherman. Fisherman means a person who catches fish in the pond or river. In the open water, fisherman plays a person who catches fish with a net, such as with a net, who catches fish from the pond or river. History, a record of past event. History, a record of past event, as like as we have independent in 1971. It's a history. Favorite, most like. There are many kinds of food, but I like such only one food most like. Often we want to eat our favorite food. Delicious, tasty. There are 4 above curry. If our mother cooked, that time we choose from this food only one food. It is very tasty. So we asked again, mother, please give me that curry. Okay. Special, extraordinary, unique. Special, not usual. Relatives, persons who are related by blood or marriage. Such as father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, cousin, such on. Cousin, the child of one's aunt or uncle. The child of one's aunt or uncle. Such as your father's brother, son. They are your cousin or my cousin. Vegetables, plant that are used as food. Vegetables. Still, as yet. Still mean as yet. Story, tell. At the evening or night, our grandfather or grandmother tells us many fairy tales or story. We ask them, please tell me a nice fairy tale, nice fairy story. Okay, sure, my dear students. At this time, everybody open your English book, page number 70. Dear students, open page number 70.
English in action.
My name is Kusum. But my family is from Chilmari in Kurigram. My grandmother and many of my relatives still live there. Last June, I went to visit my grandmother, my uncle and cousins in Chilmari. Their house is near the Jamuna river. My uncle is a fisherman. My grandfather was a fisherman, but he died about 10 years ago. I didn't know him. When my sister and I visited Chilmari in June, we had so much fun. Our grandmother told us stories about our family and about the history of Bangladesh. My uncle caught a lot of fish. My favorite fish is chapila. It's a thin white fish. It's delicious. We helped our grandmother make the fish every night. We also made rice and vegetables. It was a very special trip. We talked with our relatives and learned about our family and our country. We also sang songs together.
Okay, my dear students, at this time I show you some true false. Then I read out this lesson again, please. You listen carefully and answer this question, true or false. You look at the board first, then you listen to me carefully, please. First I read out, please.
My name is Kusum. I live in Dhaka, but my family is from Chilmari in Kurigram. My grandmother and many of my relatives still live there. Last June, I went to visit my grandmother, my uncle and cousins in Chilmari. Their house is near the Jamuna river. My uncle is a fisherman. My grandfather was a fisherman, but he died about 10 years ago. I didn't know him. When my sister and I visited Chilmari in June, we had so much fun. Our grandmother told us stories about our family and about the history of Bangladesh. My uncle caught a lot of fish. My favorite fish is chapila. It's a thin white fish. It's delicious. We helped our grandmother make the fish every night. We also made rice and vegetables. It was a very special trip. We talked with our relatives and learned about our family and our country. We also sang songs together.
Okay? Oh, sure. I read out again. My name is Alvi. I live in Dhaka, but my family is from Chilmari in Kurigram. My grandmother and many of my relatives still live there. Last June, I went to visit my grandmother, my uncle and cousins in Chilmari. Their house is near the Jamuna river. My uncle is a fisherman. My grandfather was a fisherman, but he died about 10 years ago. I didn't know him. When my sister and I visited Chilmari in June, we had so much fun. Our grandmother told us stories about our family and about the history of Bangladesh. My uncle caught a lot of fish. My favorite fish is sapila. It's a thin white fish. It's delicious. We helped our grandmother make the fish every night. We also made rice and vegetables. It was a very special trip. We talked with our relatives and learned about our family and our country. We also sang songs together. Okay, sure. Dear students, dear little sweet trained. Now, listen to carefully. Alve lives in Dhaka. Next, Alve's permanent home is in Dhaka. Many of his relatives live in Kurigram. The Podda river flows near their house. Alvi is fond of chapila fish. His father caught a lot of fish. It was a very special trip. They also danced and played. They helped their grandmother. Okay, dear students, I hope you have done your writing finish. So, number 1A, Albi lives in Dhaka. It's true. A, true. B, Albi's permanent home is in Dhaka. Okay, very fine, Shumon. It is false. Because their permanent home is Chilmari Kurigram. Many of his relatives live in Kurigram. Okay, good. True. Dear sweet little friend, number D, the Padma river flows near their house. Okay, very fine. False, because the Jamuna river flows near their house. A, Albi is fond of chapila fish. Very good. You are absolutely correct. It is true. Number F, his father caught a lot of fish. Oh, fine. It is false because his uncle caught a lot of fish. False. Number G, oh, sorry, I write. It's in the right side. G, it was a very special trip. Good. It is true. H, they also danced and played. Oh, correct. It is false because they sang a song. They sang a song. They didn't dance or play. False. Number I, they helped their grandmother. Of course, you are very fine because you give me correct answer. It's true. It's true. Okay, dear students, now you match this answer with your answer script. Okay, dear students, at this time we practice some action answer. You ready with your khata and pen, please. First, we try to say the answer of this question. If I help you, if you need, okay, where does Alvi live? Here, look at the book. Second line, I live in Dhaka. Alvi tells us he lives in Dhaka. So, its answer is Alvi lives in Dhaka. Okay? Are you finished? Sure. Next number, please. Where did Alvi go? Where did Alvi go? Alvi went, you see at this place, Alvi tells us, I went to visit my grandmother, my uncle and cousin in Chilmari. From here, we can answer this question. Okay. Dear students, Alvi went to visit his grandmother, his uncle and cousins in Chilmari. Okay? Fine. Number 3, who did he go with? Who did with go? You follow the here. When my sister and I visited Chilmari, Alvi's sister and Alvi went to Chilmari. So Alvi, he went with his sister. He went with his sister. Next, please. Where do Alvi's uncle and cousins live? Where do Alvi's uncle and cousins live? Very fine. You are absolutely correct. Alvi's uncle and cousins live in Chilmari. Chilmari in Kurigram. Chilmari in Kurigram place. Alvi's uncle and cousins live Chilmari in Kurigram. Number E. What is Alvi's favorite fish? Good. Very fine. Chapila. Fine. Always favorite fish is chapila. If we write only chapila, it is correct. If you want write the long answer, you can. Always favorite fish is chapila. Next number, please. Who still live in Kurigram? Who still live in Kurigram? Alvi and Alvi's family went to Dhaka, but their relatives yet or still live in Chilmarin, Kurigram. So, who still? Alvi's relatives, that means aunt, uncle, cousins, still live in Kurigram. When did they visit Chilmari? When? Time mention, please. When they went to Chilmari. From here, you can see last June. Okay? They visited Chilmari last June. Next number. Why did they go to visit Chilmari in Kurigram? Why? To look after his grandmother and cousins. Okay, very fine. To look after his grandmother and cousins. Next number, please. Who caught a lot of fish? Alvis uncle caught a lot of fish. At the place of who? We write Alvis uncle caught a lot of fish. Next number, please. How did his uncle catch fish? How did his uncle catch fish? With a net. Very fine. With a net. Alvis uncle caught a lot of fish with net. Are you finished? Okay, fine. When did his grandfather die? When did his grandfather die? From here, please. His grandfather died about 10 years ago. Alvis' grandfather died about 10 years ago. From here, we can write this answer. Okay, dear little friend, at this time, you write on your khata tomorrow's homework, please. Tomorrow's homework, write a short composition about your trip. About your trip. Okay, dear students, homework. You everybody try to write on your khata, please. Everybody, I answered next class. Everybody write, follow the text, please. As like as always, you write on your khata. Thank you, my dear students. See you tomorrow. Everybody will well. So goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye. I wish you a good day.